How to connect hosting domain to Lovable AI. To connect hosting domain to Lovable AI is simple. All right, the first step is to log in into your AI account. Once you are to your Lovable AI account rather, once you're logged in successfully on the page, launch your project. Open up the project that you would like to connect the hosting domain to. But before I go further, if for you to be able to connect any kind of domain to your project on Lovable, you have to have upgraded to the paid version of Lovable. Yes, you have to be using the paid plan. And how do you upgrade? After logging in, move to the top right side of the screen. You'll see the upgrade option. Click that, and then the different plans available will be displayed. So select the plan that you can afford, make your payment, and you'll be upgraded successfully. Once you've successfully upgraded, move to the top left corner of the screen where the project's name is displayed and click on it. Then after clicking on it, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, you'll be automatically brought to the Project Settings page. Move to the left side of the screen and you'll see options like Project Settings, Domains, Analytics, Knowledge. Select Domains, and on Domains page, choose Add Existing Domain. Move to the right side, click Connect Domain, enter in all of the needed credentials, click Connect, and then just like that, your hosting domain will be added to your Lovable AI. The reason I can't go beyond this is because I am on the free plan. So, like I said earlier, in order to connect the hosting domain, ensure you've upgraded your account and you are good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching to this point. If you find this video helpful, ensure you leave a thumbs up and you subscribe for more edifying videos such as this. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.